just be real.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be honest.
Let's just be real.
Hey, welcome back guys, CLoriNe Gruer here, your host, and coming back with a brand new episode of my channel. And today, I'm going to show you how to download WWE 2K for Android. And here is the gameplay you are watching of WWE 2K. So, let's start this out that this video is not downloading WWE 2K17 or 2K18. This video consists the content of WWE 2K. So please don't type in comment that this is fake or this is not good. Please write this is a nice video, because this is gonna be a nice video. So first of all, we have to go to Google browser to download WWE 2K. Any kind of browser you can use, and just insert the link of Aptoide. I will be giving into the description. The first link will be for the Aptoide link. Just go to the link, then you will be redirected to a page of adf.ly. So then you will just have to block or allow the notification access. I'm not allowing that. Okay, let's just forget all about that. So 10, and we are gonna get the link right now. So tap on skip ad. Tap on skip ad again to a page, yes, to a page of WWE 2K's downloading software Aptoide. You can also download too many items from here without WWE 2K, or WWE 2K is also available into Aptoide. So tap on download. A new page will be opening, and if you are Samsung user, it will automatically download, and if you are a simple Android user, so a pop-up notification like this will come. Tap on OK and Aptoide will be installed. So after installing Aptoide, there would be a logo like this called Aptoide. So open the Aptoide application. After opening the Aptoide application, you just have to allow it to a root permission or anything. Any permission, it will ask you for permissions. You just have to update that, and then tap on search app. Tap on WWE. After tapping on WWE, you will be having too many applications like WWE, WWE 2K, WWE Immortals, WWE Supercard, WWE Champions Free Puzzle, WWE Mayhem, WWE 2K14 Free, WWE Social App, WWE News, WWE Tapmania, too many applications. Then you can see the second app is WWE 2K. Has 3 to 5 million downloads, about 4 million downloads. Okay, let's just tap on to install. It seems you have root. Would you like to allow auto install app after download? A special notice to the viewers: if someone has a root, you will not be needed to install after downloading. It will automatically install after downloading. So if you don't have root, it would be okay, no problem. But the problem is you will have to install the app after downloading, but no extraction or no zip required. Okay, this is being downloaded. It's only 627.4 MB required. Space are same. So if you want to download, you can download free from here, and you will not have to face any kind of problem. And this will have all of the features that WWE 2K have: authentic WWE actions, multiplayer matches, create a superstar, a lot of things. So I have shown you the gameplay. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.